Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send stars on Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly send stars here. Now first, let's go and discuss what are the stars that we're talking about. Now if you try visiting your account here and going to your album, you'll notice that when you go to one of your albums, you'll notice that cards have those stars. Now, the thing with those stars here, it actually determines the value of that card, how rare that specific card is. Now, if you want to send cards or those stars to, like, for example, to a friend, well, it's quite easy, but you need to match or you need to meet a certain criteria. Now, first thing that you need to keep in mind here is you need to have a duplicate of a specific card. Now, just to give you some idea, I'm going to open up one of my albums here, which is Rapunzel, and if you click on one of the cards here that has a +2 or +1, well, it will show you the following options. Now, the +2 option that you're seeing on this card means I have 2 duplicate cards for this specific card here. So if you have duplicates of that card, you'll have the option to send it to a friend. Now just click on send to friend and you can go and just choose a friend that you want to send this to. Now, if you want to make an exchange, like for example, you want to receive a different card as an exchange, like you go and just enable the make an exchange option, and they will be required to send a card as well, or a duplicate card they have, in order for them to receive that specific card. But yeah, so once you've selected someone, you can go and click on continue, and you'll be able to send that specific card. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.